for shops. They are also part of this treatment.
Anybody can say anything, but please obtain copies of the proceedings of the various meetings held, and you will see what occurred in those meetings. Yeah.
Bapal, another thing, just a second, Roshan. We have seen that the government has.
I said that there are some vested interests who would like to see that this issue is not resolved because they gain from the fact if the matter is not resolved. But the vast majority have all agreed to these decisions, including the top leaders of the association who have participated at various meetings. The fact that 200 of them have also agreed to move out to the new vending zone goes to prove that they have agreed. Now, what is stopping the rest of them from moving out? We have, I think you were here from the start. I had said that we have even considered extension of the timeline till the 22nd of July. We will give them time to move to the new vending zone, after which the law of the land will take its own course. Town Vending Committee, under the chairmanship of the CEO of the SMB, will meet in a matter of a day or two. So once that happens, I will update you. There should not have been any standoff because we have engaged them in meaningful dialogue and discussions for the past 1 year. Several rounds of discussions have taken place. They have agreed to the conditions of their shifting, and now they are vending on the road, okay, where they do not have proper shelter. We have shifted them and given them also this offer of shifting allowance, 10,000 rupees per vendor, and they will go inside a building where they'll get shelter, they will get facilities of drinking water, washroom facilities. All these have been given to them. And the terms and conditions in those discussions also saw the participation of leaders like from the NGOs. We had the KSU, we had the Senjuk Kirang Bashnong, represented by Rabla. They all were part of this discussion. Now, when we come to the point of actually implementing the decisions of the Town Vending Committee, suddenly somebody decides to backtrack. What do we do? So, and also the fact that 200 of them have agreed to shift, what does it imply? So these are things for which you need to do some research.
So what do you do?
Said that these 200, most of them are not those legit hawkers who have been there. Those who are there for 10 years didn't even get their certificate.
Anybody can make any allegations. You need to substantiate those allegations. More importantly, all the discussions have been properly recorded. We not only are answerable to the people of Meghalaya, we also are answerable to the High Court of Meghalaya, and therefore we cannot play, even if somebody wants to play games, he cannot, because we have to submit all the affidavit, all the disclosures, all the minutes and proceedings of the discussions also to the High Court.